Noticed a problem with the power. Because the organ had a Leslie connected to it and a tone cabinet, the original power wire did sustain some heat damage, if you will. Heat leads to fire. You can see that this wire should be changed. Yeah. Oregon had no Leslie switch on it, but it has this wire which is quite damaged running down. I'm not quite sure, but I do believe it's feeding the Leslie, quite possibly, and tone cabinet. For that, I have to take off the little plate down here. And I do believe, wait a minute, look at that. One outlet. 5-pin. Okay. Now, I would have run another outlet for the Leslie and or tone cabinet. This more than likely would have been my tone cabinet. Then I would have gone 6-pin for the Leslie. Not detrimental whether you go 5-pin or 6-pin. It's user preference. One of the pins in a 6-pin is actually not used. So it's used for something else. I have to look at my schematic to see what that is. I would have run another AC line down so that the other cabinet of choosing would have had its own power, so that I didn't run a risk of this. These wires should be gray, like here, but then they shouldn't change colors here. Oh, well, actually, I'm mistaken. They don't change colors. At least not really. But you could see where the heat or the current draw is with this color, the wires, and that was the need to power up more than one cabinet, which is also why they say it's safe for Hammond to power up 2 tone cabinets of your choosing. Hammond tone cabinet